I'm Daniel Gibson with the TJ Snow Company. Today I want to talk about our 10-ton push-out tester, typically used to test projection welds. And today some of the features on this are the digital readout that it gives. Also has 2 adjustable plates to accommodate the width of your parts. Also, this has an adjustment of 3 1/4 inch increments for the height of your part. And today, as an example, I've got a projection welded nut that I'd like to push out for you today. And there you have it, 3,920 pounds on this push-out test here. If you have any more questions on our 10-ton push-out tester, please contact us at tjsnow.com.